Hi, I'm Jonathan. Today we're going to make a pizza at home. This video is not sponsored by anyone. You're going to be needing sugar, salt, plain flour, olive oil, yeast, and warm water for the dough. Plain flour, yeast, sugar, salt. Step 1. Flour, yeast, sugar, salt in the bowl. Step 2. Olive oil, water in the bowl. That was tough. It was so tiring. It'll be good though. I'm gonna put the olive oil in and let it rise for 30 minutes. Now I'm gonna place it in a warm place. Okay, it's already 30 minutes. Now let's see if the dough's rising. So I'm gonna put a little bit of flour here. So for the dough. Yeah, flour there. Just keep mixing it. Looks good. Tacky. Alright, now get ready for the fun part. First, you need to poke these. Right, done. And then now you need olive oil to make the pizza smell good. Here comes the fun part. Toppings. Make sure you don't put it in the edge, or otherwise the edge will get. It has a tomato sauce on it. I'm gonna put some cheese here. You can put any toppings, but I put some, so I'm just gonna put some sausages. Alright, done. Now, if you want to put some BBQ sauce, you can, but you don't have to, but I'm just gonna get some BBQ sauce. Now, I'm gonna put the pizza in the oven for 13 to 15 minutes. And then safety first, use a glove. Use this because the pan's really hot. This one. Time to eat. This is really good. This is really good. Okay guys, that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you later. Bye! Step 2, olive oil. Where should we put it? Stick to...
Okay,
Oh wait! I know, I forgot one. Now I'm gonna put the oven. Wait, what? Oh, so hot.